Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to define a brush by using your face. So at first I'm taking the I'm going a file and taking a photo. By opening it, I'm selecting it, then I'm selecting by selection tool, quick selection tool. I'm selecting up to this, then I'm going to the edit and define a preset brush. Okay, I'm taking this image, I'm deleting it, then I'm going to take a new file. Okay, I'm taking it, then I'm going to the shape. Here you will go press it and you'll see it. Then I'm taking this shape. Okay, then I'm going to the magic tool, magic selection tool actually. Then I'm selecting, and it will be drag, then it will be come to the this way. Okay, double click, then delete it. Okay, then I am going to select the brush. I'm going here, taking the 675 and this shape will be smaller. Okay, this I am changing the color. I mean the foreground color is changing, the shape will be changed. You are watching. Then Ctrl D for this selection, taking this. You are watching it. You are watching. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.